Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? Yo, Dan Mafia, we're back in the building. Yeah, man, the Dan is back, and you see what we are dealing with today, man. We're back in the music lab, bro. You see me and saying, you see what we dealing with today. I know a lot of y'all been requesting me to pay attention to the Drake versus Kendrick Lamar beef. And I have been paying attention. I just haven't done any of the reactions to the song because I didn't want to start doing it, and then these two niggas call quits. I know how the past thing been going on with Clash already. You see me? We've been through with Byron Messiah and Blood Clot TJ. We've been through with Coyote and Blood Clot Tentic. We've been through with Steph London and Jada Kingdom. So right now we don't want nobody play with the Clash thing, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. So many I start react to it and I see these niggas was serious. You see me? And it looks like they're serious now. So we got to jump around the Clash. You see me? I say, yeah, man. I mean, I lie. I'm pretty sure these niggas was paying attention to dancehall at the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024, bro. With all the Clash that was going on. Oh, they had the internet in the chokehold. I think these niggas saw that shit. I was like, yo, we gotta bring war back into rap, bro. Me no business when nobody said that's how I feel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. The war I heat up, the war I go on nice. As you know, this whole thing started with Kendrick Lamar when he dropped that Like That record with Future and Metro Boomin. You see me and say, allegedly this is the big three, saying it's only big me. You see me and say, then J. Cole fired back. We did the reaction to J. Cole and we did the reaction to the Like Me record. Then after that, a few days later, J. Cole apologized and people thought the war was over. You see me and say, yeah, people thought the war was over. But then Drake answered like a few days or weeks later with Tailor Made. Yes, no, I'm lying. He reacted. He supposedly responded with push-ups or drop and give me 50. That song wasn't officially released on Drake's YouTube, but it is on YouTube. Saying it's Drake release, and that was the first diss from Drake to Kendrick. Then I believe Kendrick wasn't dropping, so he also dropped Tailor Made, right? And then after that, Kendrick finally responded with I believe Euphoria. And then Drake didn't respond for Euphoria, so respond after Euphoria. So Kendrick Lamar then responded with 616 in LA. Then Drake was like, nah, nigga, fuck that shit. Then he dropped Family Matters. I know Kendrick was like, fuck that. You ain't gonna kill Euphoria in one day. I went and dropped Meet the Grahams. And this is what we had now. The war is going crazy. Everybody waiting for Drake response to see what exactly is going on, man, gang. So yeah, look like the war is official now. So it's time for we jump in and check out what go on. We're gonna check out all of the songs then back to back. See what go on and see what win the Clash. I don't know, sir. Dance at Jamaica start this Clash thing, you know. You see me? We're responsible for this. So let's see what they're gonna deal with. You see me? I jump right in. This is Drake. Push up, drop and give me 50. Let's get it. The beat sound like you on some sicko shit. You see me?
Never be nobody #1 fan. Your first #1, I had to put it in your hand. You pussies can't get booked outside America for nan.
Man say I can't even be nobody #1 fan, nigga. You're #1. And me have to put in a hand. And me give you first #1, brother. Easy yourself. Calm down.
I'm out in Tokyo because I'm big in Japan. I'm the hit maker y'all depend on. Backstage in my city, it was friend zone. You won't never take no check.
Yeah, man. I'm the hit maker y'all depend on. Backstage, I'm a city, nigga. It was friend zone. Yeah? It was friend zone. You all friendly and shit, nigga. Ain't want no war. No, you out here talking. All right.
Ain't on for us. How the fuck you big stepping with a size 7 man zone? This the part with the bite, nigga. What's up? I know my picture on the wall when y'all cook up. Extortion, baby.
This the bite with the bar, nigga. What's up? I know my picture on the wall when y'all cook up, nigga. I'm the nigga y'all trying to be like. You feel me? I'm the nigga y'all trying to hunt.
Career, you been shook up. Cause Top told you drop it, give me 50 like some push-ups. Hood, your last one brick. You really not on shit. They make excuses for you cause they hate to see me lit. Pull your
last one brick. And shit, they make excuses for you cause they hate to see me. Just because they hate to see me lit. That's why they trying to make you seem like you raw, bro. You ain't raw. That's
contract, cause we gotta see the split. The way you doing splits, bitch, your pants might rip. You better do that motherfucking show inside.
And contract, you doing splits, nigga. The way you doing splits, nigga, your shit might rip, nigga. Like, there's rumors that Kendrick got dealt a bad deal when he was signing. Like, there was someone splits, like, somebody's taking like 50% or 40% of something going on. You see me? I don't know the full details on that, but it sounded like, yeah, he got a bad deal when he came in, so that's what Drake making fun of.
bitty. Maroon 5 need a verse, you better make it witty. Then we need a verse for the Swifties. Top say drop.
Maroon 5 need a verse, you better make it witty. No need a verse for the Swiftie. What are you trying to say? Like, your label be telling this nigga, yo, like, the label be like, yo, bro, I need you to write something for, you know what I'm saying, Maroon 5 or Taylor Swift. Like, the label be coming at him for other artists. That's what I gotta try to say.
You better drop and give them 50. Pip squeak, pipe down. You ain't in no big three. Scissor got you wiped down. Travis got you wiped down. Savage got.
I said, pip squeak, pipe down. You ain't on no big three. Caesar got you wiped down. Travis got you wiped down.
You wiped down. Like your label, boy, you in the scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath of what I write down. I'm at the top of the mountain, so you tight now. Just that
like your label, boy, you in the scope right now. And you gon' feel the aftermath of what I write down, bro. You gon' feel this shit.
This talk with your ass, I had to hike down. Big difference between Mike then and Mike now. What the fuck is this, a 20?
Wait. You said big difference between, hold on.
Down. I'm at the top of the mountain, so you tight now. Just to have this talk with your ass, I had to hike down. Big difference between.
Nigga said, yo, I'm in the mountains right now, bro. Just to have a talk with your ass, I had to hike down. That's the difference between Mike then and Mike now. Oh my God, this nigga killed this one.
Mike then and Mike now. What the fuck is this, a 20v1, nigga? What's a prince to a king? He a
son, nigga. Woo! Man say, what's a prince to a king? He my son, nigga. Man, I say, yo, I would stream Prince, nigga. I would have beat Prince fucking numbers and shit. Nigga, I would stream Mike Jack. So what are you talking about, kid? Come on.
I'm in a city that you from, nigga. Metro, shut your whole ass up and make some drums, nigga. Yeah, I'm the sixth guy, I'm the front runner. Y'all nigga manager was Charles' little blunt.
No, Metro heard that shit, boy. I ain't want to make beats no more. This bitch nigga told me to make some drums. I don't want to make no shit.
Clean a 6 and you boys ain't even come from it. And when you boys got rich, you had to run from it. Cash blowing, able bread out here tricking. Shit we do for bitches, he doing for niggas. Jets.
Oh shit. Man said, yo. Man said, top down Hable out here tricking. Shit we do for bitches, you do for niggas. And they mad. I ain't gonna lie. You can't be mad at the man though. You know what I'm saying? I get where Drake coming from.
Enable bread out here tricking. Shit we do for bitches, he doing for niggas. Jets, whips, chains, wicked. Spinning like you tryna fuck, boy, you tripping. Drizzy chipping down.
Just switch playing, boy, wicked.
Probably got your bitch Chanel. I just got them done, boy, don't make me at the chip and nail. Rolling loud stage, I would turn, that was slick as hell. Shit'll probably change if it BM start to kiss and tell. Hugs and kisses, man, don't tell me.
Yo, wait, what? Wait. Man said, backstage was cool as hell. Shit might change if your BM start kissing. Drake fuck your baby mama, bro? Drake fuck your baby mama, Kendrick? Your wife, bro?
Damn. I just got them done, boy, don't make me at the chip and nail.
This nigga Drake coming in. Drake! I understand what you're doing, bro. You gotta come with some more tea. You're already a sassy ass nigga. You got the delivery, but you need more tea in this shit, nigga. Real talk, cause Kendrick getting out of pocket, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's some stuff I heard that people claim that he said in certain songs, which I need to react to. You gotta come harder on this. Bro, you have to trace Kendrick, bro. I mean, that's how to be honest. You have to trace this nigga, dog, like a girl, dog. You have to cuss this nigga, bro. You see me? Yeah, man. You gotta cuss this nigga out, bro. You see me? What, go on, though.
Drizzy Chippendale probably got your bitch Chanel. I just got him.
I said Drizzy Chippendale probably got your bitch Chanel. Y'all gotta listen to what this nigga saying. I just got him done, boy. Don't make me have to chip a nail.
Done, boy, don't make me at the chip and nail. Rolling loud stage, I would turn. That was sick as hell.
Rolling loud stage, I was turned. That was sick as hell.
Shit'll probably change if your BM start to kiss and tell.
Shit'll probably change if your BM started kissing. Ooh, nigga fucking Kendrick's mom, baby mama, bro.
Hugs and kisses, man, don't tell me about no switches. I be rocking every fucking chain I own next visit. I be with some bodyguards like
the hugs and kisses. I ain't scared no switches. I be rocking every chain I own, nigga. Next time I'm in your city, nigga. To you.
I be rocking every fucking chain I own next visit. I be with some bodyguards like Whitney. Top say drop your little midget ass, better fucking. Hey.
I be with some bodyguards like Whitney. God damn, bro. That's Kendrick baby mama's name, Whitney. And you know Whitney Houston had that movie, The Bodyguard. That she was sleeping with the bodyguard. Kendrick, you have to say, girl, I fuck my with the bodyguard, brother. Huh? She I fuck my with the help? With the help? Come on now.
Better drop and give me 50, ay. Drop and give me 50. Drop and give me 50, ay. Niggas really got me out here talking like I'm 50. Niggas really got me out here rapping what I'm living. I might take your latest girl and cuff her like I'm Ricky. Can't believe he jumping in, this nigga.
I take your latest girl and cover like a Ricky. Can't believe this nigga jumping in, bro. Yo.
Turning 50. Every song that made it on the chart, he got from Drizzy. Spin that little check.
Damn, every song that made it on the chart you got from Drizzy, bro. If that's true, Kendrick, you ungrateful motherfucker, bro. I ain't gonna cap to you, bro. You might get your first #1, brother. And every song after that you had that ever made it on the chart, Drake was on it. You're ungrateful to that big man thing. I'll be coming at y'all next, bro. Yeah. If that's true, Drake, I'm right here. This
about my business, nigga. Shout out to the hooper that be busting out the gritty. We know why you mad, nigga. I ain't even tripping. All that little heartbroken Twitter shit for bitches. This for all the top dogs.
Damn, I know why you hurt, nigga. I ain't tripping. All that little heartbroken Twitter shit is for bitches. God damn. Drake, you can't do this. You cannot do this, bro. You can't just be fucking these niggas bitches, bro. I didn't think niggas ain't gonna hate you for that shit. You know, some man lie, bro. They would have did one catchy and then, oh, no. You don't get one time, bro. I lie them, I tell. Them heartstring bust up. You see me? Their mentality is in shambles. So you can't go for that. That's why I'm not tool. Me not like things when me see other people with it, brother. Me see a dog with that girl, if me see a girl I'm more fuck, I'm find out them dog a chat. I don't want to fuck that bitch no more, bro. Me turn off. Real talk. Me don't want nothing to do with that. You see me? No one man confused that we always with the side. No that. Me not like things when me see other people with, bro. I don't like other people things. You see me? So if me see a buck of that girl, the other girl look good in the rear. I'm find out say somewhere me know I deal with it. I die. Probably what? Me know the bitch no more that I'm good. Cool. You see me? But we don't like fuck other niggas bitches. Why? You don't feel like that somebody I wanna what you got going on, bro? Something wrong with your mentality. You don't wanna feel like, oh, anything them can do, me can do. Is that what it is? I mean, I understand it, dog. You see me, I don't fuck one of that girl in the industry and then I get feelings. And then too, no side time I know say girl I eat that. A batter years, I wanna catch feelings and a fight and kill one of those fighter. This try that each other carry over some bitches, bro. I say in Jamaica, if you know, one no cost life, no cost nothing. You see me? So as long as nobody not dead, we good, bro. You see me? You had your turn, I had my turn. Now fight over no girl. You see me? Cause one don't kill off on themselves, they go fuck the next man and anything. Say they say hey, pum done. Nah man, nah, boy, yeah. Drake, I fucking man them girl.
In that fucking song, y'all got to not start the beef with us. This shit been brewing in a pot, now I'm heating up. I don't care what Cole think, that dot shit was weak as fuck. Champagne.
Bumbo class. Secretary, that's don't care Cole thing. You know that man say, yo. That man say, and that son thing did not start the beef with us.
And in a pot now.
Hold on.
In that fucking song, y'all got to not start the beef with us. This shit been brewing in a pot, now I'm heating up.
So y'all got did not start the beef with us. This shit been brewing. And now it start heat up, you know.
I don't care what Cole think, that dot shit was weak as fuck.
I don't care what Cole think, that dot shit was weak as fuck.
Ain't tripping, he is not fucking easing up. Nigga calling top to see if top want a piece of up. Top want a piece of up. Top want a piece of up. Nah, pussy, now you on your own when you speaking up. You don't roll deep.
God was saying that top dog that speak up for him. Yeah, he said, no, nigga, you pussy, you on your own with this shit, nigga.
To this is not fucking deep enough. Begging cops or not, boy, you not fucking beating us. Numbers wise, I'm out of here, you not fucking.
The man say, yo, Kendrick, I beg Kais and that. Nah, bro. Drake is flowing too hard. People not hearing that this is them, bro. People not hearing that this is them. I hear the catchy thing, dog. Drake styling this nigga, bro. What you talking about, bro? Come on, man.
Creeping up. Money wise, I'm out of here. You not fucking sneaking up. Cornball, your show money, merch money, feed us. I'ma let you.
It's a cornball. Your show money is merch. It's much money feed to us, bro. Move up, cornball. Hey, Jesus.
Yeah, because I seen enough. This ain't even everything. I know, don't wake the demon up. This ain't even everything. I know, don't wake the demon up. Drop and give me 50, all you fuck niggas teaming up.
Fuck niggas teaming up. Ooh, I gotta respect Drake. I gotta respect it. This nigga standing on his own, bro. 20v1 and this nigga out here. This nigga say, yo, this. Whoo. Man said, this ain't all the thing I know, nigga. Don't wake the demons up. All you fuck niggas linking up, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, drop a 50 bag for the mob in a spot. Drop a 50 bag, 29 for the thought. I was really trying to keep it PG.
Woo. Hey, Drake doing his thing, bro. I think people sleep on Drake disses, bro. People are sleep on Drake disses because he's saying them so casually, smooth and melody and fluent thing. People just like overlooking the lyrics. Man, this man. Yeah, see me, man. I said basically, yo. So in my city, nigga, it was our friend zone. He wasn't talking all that tough shit, nigga. Doesn't mean what was that? When I say what was that? He ain't said Coachella. I said some shit, other shit. I was backstage lit. I bet you gonna change if your BM start, you know, kiss and tell. I'm implying that my fuck that baby man, I know that. You see me? Now that cool shit when he's that probably change if you BM man tell him, oh, go on, I dig out the whole. I say, I'm not busy with J. Cole thing, bro. I think that shit was weak as fuck, nigga. You see me? How I say? Yeah, that those music you made in the past, I think shit's weak. As man, I say your numbers, bro. You go empty, man. When I say you can't drop, bro. You have to do what your record label say. If Maroon 5 want a verse or Taylor Swift want a verse, you have to go write that. But you can't write and drop music. That's that I say. Man say you're in bad deals. Splits. 50, nigga, gotta take 50% off your shit, nigga. That's crazy. God, that's crazy, nigga. But yeah, man, that man dropping about a whole bunch of shit. Whole bunch of teas. Man say, yo, Kendrick on his wife, now then no more. Man say Kendrick Lamar's son, Bumbuckler, allegedly his wife asleep with the bodyguard and his son will have probably the bodyguard. Enough things are going. That I say, yo, me not even a Bumbuckler go too hard, come here more. Don't wait the demon up. So they say, yeah, more. We gotta wait and see. You see, that's a gang. But yeah, that's Drake push-ups, drop and give me 50 Kendrick Lamar this. I tell you, I'm giving you all the reactions to all of this is today. They all dropping today, so look out for that. You see me? The next one we are doing was right after Drake dropped push-ups. I believe Kendrick Lamar took a while to drop, so he dropped Tailor-Made. So Tailor-Made reaction should be the next one coming up. You see me? Once again. Yeah, man. The next time, boy, Jambisco. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. You already know what time it is, gang. Love you guys. I'm out.
On the play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.